Good night, teacher. Speak uno. My room. My room is small but comfort. It has two windows. There lets in lots of light. Their hats are big blue. It has under chair. There's many birds. In my room there's a very small ham. Let's eat at some that's highlights its bison some many sister her it's to me and I use it ever there to work. Very good teacher.